So every week you come in, man, I want you to get in that chat. When you're in that chat, I want you to connect with somebody. You see the people that's in the chat that's really getting to it. You see the Khadijas and you see the Tories and you see the Dows and you see the Chelseas. You see the people that's really getting to it in the chat. You see the people that's really active in the chat each and every week. That's the people you need to be related. That's how we build community. I don't know, man. I just feel good. I'm glad to be back. I'm glad that we are in that mode. First, and another week, man, we hit 3,000 tonight again. I'm just proud of us, man. I'm proud of where we going. I'm proud of the trajectory that we on. Nothing too deep tonight, man. I just wanted to say thank y'all. We 88 episodes in, man. We 12 episodes away from 100, and that can't happen without y'all. I also want us to know that our goal is to help the culture build wealth one share at a time. And one share at a time simply means the journey. One share at a time simply means we do the best with what we have in that phase. But we use each other as encouragement. We use each other for guidance. We use each other for motivation. We don't use each other as stepping stones, and we don't pull each other back down. Our goal is to help you get it out the market so nobody behind you have to get it out the mud. And I want you to personify that. I want you to be the personification of that. I want you to be the reason why your whole family understand that the market is how we build wealth. I want you and your whole family to understand that no longer will you have to work 2 and 3 jobs. No longer will we have to go in debt, the bad way to live the way we want to live. I want us to understand that freedom is attainable. Freedom is attainable. We got a show coming up on the 23rd, man. I'm super excited to see each and every last one of y'all. I can't wait to pack it out up in here with 50 people because it was a vision that I had. And the vision is just getting started. I hope that everybody that tune into us each and every week, I know that everybody in here will become millionaires. I have no doubt in my mind. From 5 figures to 6 figures to 7 figures. And the more we do this show, one day some of us gonna say, Trap, I've been with you since episode 1. Somebody gonna say, Trap, I've been with you episode 15. And at that phase, we'll be at episode 300, 400, 500. And by that point, I know we'll have a whole bunch of millionaires in it. Tonight, we had a 14-year-old that said he'd been investing in trading since he was 10. That shows you the importance of what you're doing, because he ain't just come up on that on his own. Either he introduced it or somebody, his family introduced it, but that let us also know that it's a thing in that household. It's a thing in that household. What is the thing now? What is the culture now in your household? Now is the greatest time. We can't let this time pass us by. There's no way they got these companies hitting all-time highs, these CEOs getting all this money, these wealth, these transfers, these $66 trillion in wealth. There's no reason why we not a part of that. What's good, trappers, man? It's your boy, the Wall Street Trapper. Right now, I want to invite you to an amazing experience full of value. That is my community, Trappers Anonymous. It's 100% the greatest fundamental investing community on the market. Listen, your portfolio should be a masterpiece. And the only way we get you there is if we help you to learn how to invest with confidence. Now listen, I get it. Like, you don't know a lot about stocks, or maybe you've heard people say how much money they lost in stocks, but I can guarantee you, 1, because they weren't in the community, and 2, they lack the information. Our goal in Trappers Anonymous is to help you, really to hold your hand on the journey to becoming a confident investor, learning how to navigate through the different events that the stock market goes through to take you from panic to encouragement. There's no better time than now. This is an opportunity only for those who are willing to be on the journey. So listen, man, click the link below.
Come join me in Travelers Anonymous, man. I will see you in one of our many classes, whether it's Moat Monday, whether it's the 2-hour class we do on Sunday, or whether it's just a book club. Everything is geared toward making you a better investor so you can triple your net worth and turn your last name to an asset. It's your boy, Wall Street Traveler. See you in the trap.
So every week you come in, man, I want you to get in that chat. When you're in that chat, I want you to connect with somebody. You see the people that's in the chat that's really getting to it. You see the Khadijas, and you see the Tories, and you see the, the Dows, and you see the Chelseas. You see the people that's really getting to it in the chat. You see the people that's really active in the chat each and every week. That's the people you need to be related. That's how we build community. I promise you it ain't just about me. I don't even consider myself like the leader or nothing. I just consider myself like a conduit to make us all connect. I feel like I'm just the conduit that make us all connect. Shabazz X, Chris Carter. I'm just the conduit that make us all connect. I'm just the reason we all get together each and every Tuesday and talk our talk and laugh and joke. I'm just a conduit. I ain't gotta be the leader. I'm just a conduit. Because guess what, man? Man, together we a force. Imagine if 3,000 of us took all our money and we put it in one stock, or 3,000 of us took our money and put it in one investment vehicle. 3,000 of us created the fund. Just imagine if 3,000 of us did that. 3,000 of us did that and growing. 3,000 of us and growing. That's massive action right there. That's change. That's how we move the needle. It ain't just me. It ain't just me. Honestly, I'm just here to show y'all it's possible. I'm just here to show, that's why I show big numbers. That's why I show big losses. I want you to show, I want you to be like, yep, it's possible. It's possible. Because once you see it, you can't unsee it. Once you see it, you cannot unsee it. And once you see it, you don't got no choice but to know it's real, because we show it each and every week to embed it in your brain. This is adult financing right here. Remember, man, your financial growth is non-negotiable. And as long as you come in each and every week, I promise you, we ain't negotiating with it. We pressing forward. We showing the ups, we showing the downs, we showing the wins, we showing the losses, because it's all a part of the end game that we playing, and that's a freedom game. The network game. We ain't worrying about dollars. What freedom gonna cost us? But also, what is gonna cost us to not be free? And once we understand that game, man, I'm here for all of us, y'all. We ain't got time to have opinions about nothing but our freedom. We ain't got time to indulge in nothing but things that's gonna help us get free.